welcome to April Online Training. Okay, so in this video, we're going to walk you through the steps listed in the email, as well as other tips in navigating the online school and the actual course. Okay, so after watching this video, go ahead and click on the link to our home page in the email, and it should be cheongdamtraining.com/initial. Okay, so go to that page, and in order to log in, go ahead and go to the top right-hand corner, click on Login, and input the username and password as provided in your email. Okay. Alright, so once you're logged in, you can see the list of courses available to you. Okay, so you should see April Online Training. Go ahead and click on that. Okay. And it'll bring you to your actual April training course. Okay, so the first thing that you will see will be the program overview. Okay, this just gives you more information about each of the programs that you'll be trained in. Okay. Next, you'll see the course expectations. Okay, please read through this so that you know exactly what is expected of you to pass the course. Okay. Next, you'll see the 3 programs as well as CTP-CR and student management. Okay, and all of these will be part of the April Online Training. Lastly, you'll notice the resources. Okay, these resources are available for you to give you more information. Okay, especially, please utilize the files in the special session folder. Okay, mainly the April Computer Training PDF as well as the daily guide, because you will need these files once you become an actual April teacher. Okay, so now let's go back to the course. Alright, and now let's take a look at one of the programs that you will be trained in. Okay, so the first program will be SEED, and in this block you can find all the materials needed in order to complete the course. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at one of the actual courses that you will take. Okay, so once you open up the course, it will bring you to this page where you press play. After that, it will bring you to the course directory. And from here, you can pick what part of the class flow you'd like to study. So assuming this is your first time, you'd want to go ahead and start with reading. So click that, and it will bring you to the first component of reading, which is known as knowledge activation. So the first slide that pops up will show you the entire component, and on the sides will be listed all the steps that make up that component. However, if you want to learn more about how to do each step, then go ahead and click on the step button. So let's look at step 1. So we'll pull up a video that shows you only step 1, and then on the side it will show you the methodology step as well as tips that can help you. So for each of the steps, this information is provided to you. Now to move on to the next component, you'd want to click the arrow button, which then brings you to reading passage. So in order to get back to that directory, what you need to do is continue through the course. And once you've studied all the components within reading, the last component arrow will take you back to that directory page where you can move on to the next part of SEED. So now that we know how to utilize the course, let's look at the next step, which would be to take the assignment. So in order to get to the assignment, just go ahead and click back. Okay, this will take you back to the April training homepage. Okay, and so since we just finished the SEED course, go ahead and click on SEED assignment. Okay, from here you will click on attempt quiz and just fill out the questions. Okay, from the information that you gathered from the course. Okay, go ahead and click next. And then you could submit all your responses. Okay. Alright, and so once you are done, you could go ahead and finish review, and then your answers will have been submitted. Okay. In order to go back to the course, you could press on or click on April Online Training. Okay. And it'll take you back to your April Training homepage. Okay. From here, you could just move on to the Sprout course. And you'll just go ahead and repeat all the steps again, and then take the assignment, and then just apply it to all the different parts of the April training.